Good morning. Welcome to KST's Halacha Review. We're talking now about the next topic in Halachically Speaking, Volume 1, which is preparations for Shabbat, particularly showering. The poskim, a whole list of poskim here, say that it's a mitzvah to wash your entire body with hot water on Erev Shabbos in honor of Shabbat. If you can't do this, you should at least use hot water for your hands, feet, and your face. And they say it's a mitzvah to wash your head as well, with shampoo. What's the reason? They say the main reason to wash your body is the honor of Shabbat. Others say it's based on Kabbalistic reasons. Mibe'er Shabbos doesn't give more detail than that. The Arizal, one of the leaders in Kabbalistic thought, mystical thought, is quoted as saying that washing on Erev Shabbat is comparable to the washing that the Kohanim did in the Beit HaMikdash before performing the Avodah, before they did their service. So the Kohanim would certainly do their wash themselves, make sure they were clean before they went to do service in the temple. So if you want to think of yourself in that frame, bevakasha, gesundter heit. Who's obligated? Men and women both obligated to wash ourselves before Shabbat, and we are greatly rewarded for this. Fortunate is one who takes more time in the shower for Oneg Shabbat. Oneg Shabbos can start even before Shabbos. So you take a nice long shower just to make sure that you're not precluding the next person who's taking a shower from taking also a nice hot long shower. So if you have a lot of people in the house, maybe space them out a little bit. Give the water heater a chance to catch up with you. One should shower for Shabbos as close to Shabbos as possible, so it's recognizable that you're showering in the honor of Shabbat. If there's not enough time to wash yourself on Erev Shabbos, you can even do it on Thursday night, and you think to yourself that this is in preparation for Shabbat. Friday afternoon, in other words, from midday onwards. Nowadays, midday is about 12:45 or so, that time when on Shabbos we would usually daven mincha in shul in the winter. So that's midday, actually a little bit before that even. So from midday on, now remember that when Shabbos gets very early in these next couple of weeks, you don't have a lot of time there, so you got to time it carefully. Gives an order to wash. You wash from top to bottom, starting with your head, and then the right side first. He says some are not concerned with any kind of order. Magen Avram says don't worry about it, just wash yourself however you like. Many have the custom to go to mikvah on Erev Shabbos. One who does this is considered to be a holy person, says the Ya'avetz, Rabbi Yaakov ben Tzvi, Rabbi Yaakov Emden. It's preferable to think about tshuva before going to the mikvah. And the holy books, say that immersing oneself in a mikvah purifies the neshama yetera to the highest level. We are told that we have a second soul on Shabbat, a neshama yetera, and there's a number of implications of this. One of them is that when we smell the spices at Havdalah, we are comforting, nourishing that neshama yetera, that second soul, Shabbat soul that's departing at the end of Shabbat. Another practical implication is somehow you manage to eat a lot more on Shabbos than you would during the week, but that's yet another story. Okay, so we'll continue talking about preparations for Shabbat tomorrow. Please join us then. In the meantime, have a wonderful day.